While your pan is heating up, you want to remove what's called the feet. You can see how they kind of just pull right off. And then we're going to want to make sure that our scallops are super dry. If they're too wet, they're going to just release a lot of moisture in your pan. Get a little salt on there and we're ready to toss them in the hot pan. When you get them in there, you want to get them all in kind of quickly just so that they're cooking at the same rate. And basically we're going for about a minute on the first side and about a minute to a minute and a half on the second side. Once the scallop pulls away from your pan, that means that it has created a hard enough sear that it's not going to stick. So you don't need to worry about whether you're using a non-stick pan or a regular all-clad type pan. Top with your favorite delicious toppings and enjoy this savory treat. Wow, perfectly seared every time.